Long ago a bird who lived in the desert was very sick. She had no feathers, nothing to eat and drink and no shelter to live. She kept on cursing his life day and night. One day an angel was crossing over that desert. The bird stopped the angel and inquired, "Where are you going?" Angel replied, "I am going to meet God." The bird asked the angel, "Please ask God when my suffering will come to an end." Angel said, "Sure, I will," and bid goodbye to the bird. Angel reached God's place and shared the message of the bird to him. Angel told him how pathetic the condition of the bird is and inquired when the suffering of the bird will be going to end. God replied, "For the next 7 lifetimes the bird has to suffer like this, no happiness till then." Angel said, "When the bird will hear this he will get disheartened. Could you suggest any solution for this?" God replied, "Tell her to recite this mantra. Thank you God for everything." Angel met the bird again, and delivered the message of God to the bird. After 7 days the angel was passing again from the same path, and noticed that bird was so happy. Her feathers grew up on his body, a small plant grew up in the desert area, a small pond of water was also there. The bird was singing and dancing cheerfully. Angel was astonished to see, and she got puzzled and wondered how it happened. God told for 7 lifetimes there is no happiness for the bird. But only in 7 days, everything has been changed and the bird is living happily. With this question in mind, she went to visit God. Angel asked her query. Listening to her question, God replied, "Yes, it was true there was no happiness for the bird for 7 lifetimes. But because the bird was reciting the mantra thank you God for everything in every situation. When bird fell down on the hot sand it said thank you God for everything. When it could not fly it said thank you God for everything." So whatever the situation may be, the bird kept on repeating thank you God for everything, and therefore, the 7 lifetimes karma got dissolved in 7 days. The purpose of sharing this story is to make all of us aware of how powerful is the power of gratitude is. It can reshape our life. A simple word, a simple thought, which teaches us to be grateful for everything that we have in our life has the power to dissolve the karmic baggage which we are carrying from so many lifetimes. Let's recite this mantra continues to experience the shift in our life. Be grateful, and see the change in your attitude. Be humble, and you will never stumble. Deep love and gratitude to all of you for watching it. Thank you.